Hey, I'm getting a weird call. I think it's my kids. I gotta go home. You got this?
Yeah, whatever. What areas of the country does this affect? Uh-huh. Got it. Edie, take this out. Alan, take over. See what you can with you.
Thanks, Don, for that engrossing report on TSA security. I'll make sure I wear clean underwear next time I fly. And now a report on the Italian Film Festival. Gabrielle Vicino debuted her new film, Cielo, to mixed reviews. Some religious groups are outraged by the content of the film, which includes gratuitous violence and nudity. The Vatican has gone as far as to issue a statement condemning the film and its filmmakers as hedonistic and tasteless. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm being informed by my producer that the government is issuing a national state of emergency and are enacting a curfew effective immediately for all the continental United States and Puerto Rico. The official statement from the Pentagon is that a cell phone broadcast went out this morning to 15 million cell phone users and has been recurring at irregular intervals. People answering these calls are apparently suffering from violent outbursts, and some injuries and deaths have been reported. Hospitals are still reporting. Officials are advising all citizens to stay indoors and secure your homes, but most importantly, do not answer your phones. Let's cut to Tom, who's covering the events at the Italian Film Festival. Tom, what are you seeing on the streets right now?
Well, Miguel, what was supposed to be a celebration in film has turned into a state of panic. The police arrived about 10 minutes ago and they asked everybody to evacuate, and they said that a curfew is going to be enacted within the next half an hour.
Tom, what are you doing? Stop! Tom!
Tom? Okay, we're being told we have to cease all broadcasting. The government has issued a martial order as a precautionary statement, as a precautionary measure, until more facts about this epidemic is understood. Please stay tuned as we sign off. The emergency broadcast system will take over, and you should expect the instructions then. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck and Godspeed.
Alan, something serious is going on. Get everybody together in the production office now. Hey guys, I just checked the entire building except for the loading dock. All the doors are locked. I just need some volunteers to come with me. Anybody?
Come on,
Let's go. Hey, Jen, what are you still doing here? Jen? Is everything okay? Jen,
Hey! Come here! Get back! Come on!
What is going on?
Dude, I don't know, man, but there's some shit going down. We gotta get out of this building.
Why did they shut down the signal? What are we doing in here?
How to answer?
Dude, get the thing off!
We'll just, we'll be safe in here for now. Come on. Come on. Vamos.
What are we going to do?
I don't know, listen. If we're in here, we'll be safe. Nothing can get in. We'll call the police and they'll be here in no time.
Don't use your phone.
Oh shit, now the lights, that's exactly what we needed. Look, we'll just hole up in here, okay? Tomorrow morning, it'll all be done.
Is that your phone?